Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have got something crucial for all of you. 10 essential tips to take care of your car during the rainy season. 1. Clean it. The easiest way to keep your car's exterior clean is by not letting dirt and mud settle on it. Similarly, clean and dry your car's interiors on a regular basis. 2. Fix wipers. In case you haven't already, fix your car's wipers ahead of any rain predictions, as they are one of the most important things while driving in rain. Trust me, you'll thank me later. 3. Press brakes. Sometimes when you are driving on waterlogged roads, press the brakes a couple of times, as it generates heat in the brake rotors, keeps it dry and does not fail you when you need it the most. 4. Take cues. The most genius way to keep your car safe is to take signals from the car in front of you. If that driver is having troubles, try changing the lane. 5. Keep it dry. The best way to keep your leather seats dry is by covering them with some towels, so that they can soak up the moisture even if you get wet and get in the car. 6. Newspaper hack. One of the worst things in monsoon is your car carpet getting wet and dirty. To avoid this hassle, spread some old newspaper on them. 7. Window alert. While this is a no-brainer, we often keep our car windows open during the rain by mistake, especially with kids on board. This may damage the car. 8. Check tires. Regularly check your tires, as there is some extra dirt on roads during monsoon, which can damage them. Fix it as soon as you detect a damage. Remember, folks, taking care of your car during the rainy season not only ensures its longevity, but also keeps you safe on the road. So, give this video a thumbs up if you found these tips helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, drive safe and stay dry.